Discover 20 new Amazon plumbing tools every pro needs, featuring top brands like Milwaukee, RIDGID, and Knipex. From high-performance pipe wrenches and compact inspection cameras to precision cutters and cordless power tools, this collection's designed for efficiency, durability, and precision. Upgrade your toolkit with these innovative essentials built to tackle any plumbing challenge with ease and reliability. PVC Pipe Cutter 3-Gear. The TOLESA PVC Pipe Cutter 3-Gear is a versatile tool designed for effortless cutting of PVC, CPVC, PEX, PPR, PE, and rubber hoses up to 2.5 inches, 64 millimeters. Its 3-gear adjustable mechanism ensures precise blade contact for various pipe sizes, while the ratcheting drive multiplies cutting force for smooth one-handed operation. Built with durable die-cast aluminum and a Teflon-coated SK 5 steel blade, it delivers clean, burr-free cuts. Ergonomic handle, safety lock, and included deburring tool enhance comfort, safety, and efficiency. M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover is the first cordless roll groover, delivering unmatched portability, speed, and precision. Powered by a PowerState brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures high efficiency, overload protection, and up to 50 grooves per M18 Forge battery charge. Hands-free operation, automatic depth control, and groove depth offsets simplify work while reducing fatigue. Compact and versatile, it safely grooves black iron, galvanized, and stainless steel pipes in tight spaces, and is one key enabled for tracking and security. Three-inch pipe gripper plugs. The Oatey 33402. 3-inch pipe gripper plug is a durable mechanical test plug designed to securely seal 3-inch pipes for pressure testing or temporary protection from debris. Its tool-free installation ensures quick setup, while the ABS glass-reinforced body resists rust and corrosion. The natural rubber O-ring delivers a leak-proof seal, and the galvanized hardware provides long-lasting durability. Rated up to 17 pounds per square inch, its end-of-pipe design prevents falling into the pipe stack, making it ideal for DWV systems and general pipe maintenance. RP115 Micro Press Tool. The RIDGID RP115 Micro Press Tool is the smallest, lightest hydraulic press tool, perfect for tight spaces. Weighing just 2.9 pounds and measuring 13 inches, it offers one-handed operation, a fast 3-second press cycle, and a 210-degree rotating head for versatile access. Delivering 15 kilonewtons electro-hydraulic force, it works with copper, stainless steel, PEX, and multi-layer pipes. Job site ready with IP44 protection, an integrated LED light, and powered by a 12-volt Li-ion battery, it ensures efficiency and long-lasting performance. Pipe Threading Tool. The AegisTorq Integrated Internal and External. Pipe Threading Tool is a dual-function, electric drill compatible solution for threading plastic pipes like PVC and PPR in 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes. Its integrated design cuts both internal and external threads without switching dies. Crafted from durable 40 CR alloy steel, it ensures long-lasting sharpness and precision. Compatible with most electric drills, the tool delivers clean, burr-free threads quickly. User-friendly and versatile, it's perfect for plumbing, irrigation, and electrical conduit installations. 9PCS PVC Pipe Reamer Kit. The BLEKOO 9 PCS PVC Pipe Reamer Kit is a versatile plumbing tool set designed to efficiently remove broken or leftover PVC pipes, saving time and material costs. This 9-piece kit fits 9 common pipe sizes, 1/2 inch to 4 inches, and works with standard 1/2 inch drills. Made with anodized aluminum heads, stainless steel shafts, and 4-sided carbide blades. It ensures durability and long-lasting sharpness. Ideal for PVC, CPVC, ABS, PP, and PE pipes, it includes a hex wrench, screwdrivers, replacement inserts, and a sturdy storage case. Pipe cutter. The Knipex pipe cutter series delivers precision cutting for composite and plastic pipes, including PEX Alpex, PPR, PVC, and PE. Models like the 9025-25 use low-effort rotational cutting, while the 9025-40 features a ratchet action for thicker walls. All cutters provide clean, burr-free cuts, durable oil-hardened blades, and ergonomic handles for comfort. Safety features include opening springs and locking mechanisms. Model-specific designs ensure accurate, right-angled cuts and support various pipe sizes, making installation faster and easier. Pipe inside cutter. The YCKJDYR Pipe inside cutter is a drill-mounted tool designed for precise internal cutting of PVC, ABS, and CPVC pipes in tight spaces. Featuring an industrial-grade diamond grit cutting wheel and adjustable depth guide, 0 to 7 inches. It delivers flush cuts behind valves and under sinks. Its 1/4 inch hex shank fits standard drills, while the durable stainless steel body resists rust. With an 11-inch guide bar, wide pipe compatibility, and easy operation, it's perfect for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. PlumbShark. The PlumbShark Ultimate 10-in-1 Multi-Tool is a compact shark-shaped gadget made from durable 17/7 heat-treated stainless steel, combining essential plumbing and heating functions into a handy keyring accessory. Ideal for plumbers, heating engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. It features a radiator bleed key, radiator valve spanner, gas meter nipple wrench, utility box key, multiple spanners, 6 to 10 mm, drain-off/pump valve tool, insulation valve tool, flathead screwdriver, box opener, and bottle opener. Its portable patented design ensures convenience, durability, and versatility for everyday repairs. Facing machines DC25. The Axer DC25 and DC65 are portable orbital facing machines engineered for perfectly square, burr-free tube ends, ideal for precision welding. The DC25 handles tubes up to 1 inch, while the DC65 works up to 2.5 inches and offers optional simultaneous beveling. Both feature lightweight, portable designs, high-quality HSS TIALN blades, precise manual advance, and secure stainless steel clamping jaws. Available in electric or 18-volt battery versions, these machines deliver durability, accuracy, and efficient tube preparation for workshop or on-site use. ROCUT Divdesmitseshi MSR. The Rothenberger ROCUT. 26 MSR is a precision manual pipe shear designed for cutting plastic and multi-layer composite pipes up to 26 mm, 1 inch, with minimal effort. Its curved, specially ground blade ensures exact right-angled cuts while reducing pipe deformation. Optimized for PP, PE, PEX, PB, PVDF, and MSR pipes, it features a wide pipe support for stability, lightweight durable construction, and ergonomic rubberized handles. A transport lock adds safety, making cutting smooth, accurate, and fatigue-free every time. Style 009 V FireLock trademark. The Victaulic style 009. V FireLock is an installation-ready rigid coupling engineered for fire protection systems, streamlining installation with no loose parts. One-touch tightening and a visual metal-to-metal install indicator ensure fast, accurate assembly. Its rigid joint design limits axial and angular movement, while the next-generation gasket provides proper pipe alignment and smooth adjustability. Extended bolts simplify one-hand installation. Rated for pressures up to 365 pounds per square inch and available from 1 1/4 inches to 12 inches. It's NFPA approved and built from durable ductile iron with multiple coatings. Copper pipe cleaner, the Kimgsoak. Copper pipe cleaner is a powerful drill-mounted tool designed for fast, efficient pipe cleaning. Its durable one-piece stainless steel body withstands high torque and heat, while replaceable brushes remove dirt, oxidation, and build-up from inside and outside pipes. Compatible with 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes, it works on copper, aluminum, and iron. The 0.315 inch hex shank fits most keyless drills, delivering professional-grade cleaning in seconds, ensuring smooth, shiny surfaces ready for perfect soldering. Angle Stop Wrench Kit. The Holdley Plumbing Tools. Angle Stop Wrench Kit is a versatile dual-sized tool designed for tight plumbing spaces. It fits 5/8 inch and 15/16 inch nuts and works with 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch MPT compression outlets, making installations and removals effortless. Crafted from durable alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, it provides superior leverage and a comfortable non-slip grip. Ideal for sinks, toilets, and general plumbing tasks, some kits also include a bonus 4-way, multi-functional utility key for added convenience. Two-piece strap wrench set. The ValueMax two-piece strap wrench set delivers versatile, non-marring grip for a wide range of tasks. Featuring large and small wrenches with reinforced rubber straps, it easily handles objects up to 6 inches and 4 inches in diameter. Durable nylon and TPR handles provide comfort and reduce hand fatigue, while the high-strength straps ensure secure, slip-free leverage. Ideal for plumbing, automotive, and household use, this set effortlessly loosens or tightens stubborn items without scratching delicate surfaces like glass, chrome, or polished finishes. PK/S K-mounting wrench. The Henco PK/SK mounting wrench is a lightweight, durable tool designed for fast installation of Henco threaded fittings. Its ratchet mechanism works clockwise and counterclockwise for effortless tightening and loosening. The full grip aluminum jaws apply maximum torque without damaging fittings, while the plastic body ensures strength under pressure. Featuring a specific closing mechanism, chrome-plated handle, and clearly marked sizes, it's versatile for various fittings. Available in multiple sizes, the wrench often comes in a convenient plastic case for easy storage and selection. Flexible Plumber's Putty. The Oatey 31170. Flexible Plumber's Putty is a durable, soft, and pliable compound designed to create a long-lasting, waterproof seal between rigid surfaces. It stays flexible without hardening, cracking, or shrinking, ensuring reliable performance. Perfect for non-pressurized applications like sinks, faucets, and basket strainers, it's easy to work with and mess-free. Requiring no cure time, it's ready for immediate use. Compatible with stainless steel and PVC, this professional-grade putty comes in a 3-pound container for convenient storage. Adapter C-KA, the Crassus Kombi. Adapter C-KA TPE CRA 10013 is a durable internal adapter for connecting and reducing waste pipes from 75/70mm to 50/40mm. Made of high-quality thermoplastic elastomers, TPE. It is UV resistant, noise reducing, and temperature resistant from -60 to +140 degrees Celsius. Pressure proof up to 0.5 bar and flushing resistant up to 120 bar. It meets DIN EN 681-2 standards. Tool-free installation allows versatile horizontal or vertical use, including concealed, plaster, concrete, or underground setups with a minimal reduction path for tight spaces. ROCAM Mini HD. The Rothenberger ROCAM Mini HD amp share with Module 20/16 is a high-resolution modular pipe inspection system featuring a 7-inch touchscreen display and cordless 18-volt amp share battery operation. Designed for small diameter pipes, 40 to 90mm, it offers a compact 20mm camera head, 16-meter push cable, and high maneuverability through multiple bends. Key features include Wi-Fi connectivity for live streaming, on-image documentation, audio recording, micro HDMI output, and a 512/514 Hz locating transmitter for precise positioning, making inspections efficient in tight multi-story spaces.